First, I have my mini kit. Check out my video on that. And then this is what I have in the bag. So it's just a cheap Walmart bag. So I did a scenario. This is my bug out scenario. I bought a cheap backpack from Walmart. I threw in gear that I already had. Multi-tool for some Mora. Then at the store, while I was there, this was my scenario. I had to get enough supplies to last me 2 days, 48 hours. And then I would be looking to resupply. So I grabbed a water bottle that I already drank out of, but it's for collecting water. It's gonna be my dirty water. I grabbed this as a clean water bottle. This is my water purification ability. Shelter, cordage, fire, calories, and sanitation. This is what I could grab last minute and in about half an hour. It took me about half an hour to grab this stuff. Now that's not to mention my EDC and my mini survival kit I showed you. So everything combined together, this is what I would have to survive.